Do you want to grow your own strawberries? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to grow your own strawberries from seed. Yes, from seed. I thought that you had to grow strawberries from runner plants. Yes, I've had my allotment for 20 years. I didn't know that you could actually grow them successfully from seed until I saw one of my friends vlogging on their TikTok showing me how to create strawberry plants from seed, and his strawberry plants are looking absolutely delicious and they've got loads and loads of strawberries on. So in this video we're going to show you how to grow strawberries from seed. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy today's video. So for this we need some kitchen roll, and I'm going to be using a potato peeler to peel the seeds off the strawberries. So yeah, let's give it a go. So these are the actual seeds on the outside. You can use a knife to slice them off, but I thought a potato peeler is a lot easier to do it with. So I'm going to peel it off and see how we get the seeds off and see if we get some good results. So there we are, we've put all the slivers all over his kitchen roll to dry out, and once it's dried out then we will scrape the seeds off into some compost. So yeah, let's stay tuned for part 2. So we have dried out all the strawberries, as you can see, and the seeds are ready to scrape off and put in some compost and hopefully grow some strawberries. That's what we want, some delicious strawberries growing. So let's get a tray with compost in, dampen it up, and then put the seeds on top. All we're going to use is a sprayer to spray the soil to dampen it down really well so that the seeds make contact with the compost, and then we'll sprinkle the seeds on top. So this is a fun bit, scraping all the seeds off onto the compost. So there we go, we've planted all the seeds on top of the compost, as you can see, all the little red seeds. So now we've just got to give them another good spraying with water so that they start to germinate, and we'll keep them damp and wet over the next few weeks and hopefully they'll germinate. So that is how we start our strawberries from seed. Make sure you follow us to stay up to date with this. We'll be back with another episode once they started to grow and once we're potting them all up. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.